So this is the definition of a system of linear equations. Linear equations means the unknown variables are of degree 1. The unknown variables are of degree 1. If the unknowns are of degree 2, it is called as a quadratic equation. The highest degree of the unknown variable is 2, it is quadratic. Highest degree of the unknown variable is 3, it is cubic, so on. So for linear equations, the highest degree of unknown variables is 1. So there are n unknowns. You have a system of linear equations with n unknowns, x1, x2, x3 up to xn. There are n unknowns and there are n equations. This is called a full system of linear equations. So a11 x1, a12 x2, a1n xn equal to b1, a21 x1, a22 x2, a2n xn is equal to b2, an1 x1, an2 x2, so on, ann xn is equal to bn. This is the nth equation, so on. So there are n equations in n unknowns. These aij, this a11, a12, a21, a22, all these, they are real coefficients of the unknowns, and b1, b2, bn are constants. Okay, this set is called as the system of linear equation. What is meant by solution of this linear equation? Solution means it is a set of all values of these x, x1, x2, x3, xn, a set of values which satisfy all the equations of the system. That is called as the solution of this equation. A set which satisfies every equation of the system is called the solution. So only then we say solution exists. Even if the set does not satisfy even one equation, we don't say that it is a solution of the equation, a solution of the system. It may be solution of one equation, but it may not solve, it may not be a solution for other equations. So only if the set of these values x1, x2, x3 up to xn, they satisfy each and every equation of the system, then we call it as the solution of the system of linear equations. Now, if solution exists, we say that the system is consistent. Okay, we say the system is consistent. If the solution doesn't exist, we say system is inconsistent. So the system of this above system of linear equation, it is consistent if it has at least one solutions. There can be many solutions, but at least one solution, then we call system is consistent. It is called as inconsistent system if the equation has no solution. The equation does not have any solution, then it is called inconsistent system. Now the system can be called as determinate or indeterminate. It is called as a determinate system, okay, if the solution is unique, it has only one solution. If it has only one solution, okay, then it is called as determinate. If it has more than one solutions, and generally it is infinite number of solutions, then we call the system as indeterminate. So first, what did we learn? Linear equations. What the linear equations? What is the definition of linear equations? System of linear equations. What is meant by solution of the system of linear equations? When the system of equations are called consistent, inconsistent, determinate, indeterminate. Consistent, inconsistent, determinate, indeterminate. These are. Consistent means solution exists. Inconsistent means no solution exists. Within consistent, there are two categories, determinate and indeterminate. Okay. Determinate means you have a single solution. Indeterminate means you do not have any solution. Now the system itself, the system of linear equations itself can be divided into two categories. If this B1, B2, B3, Bn, all the constant are zeros. All right. If all the constants are zeros, if in the system of linear equations, every constant term is zero, then such a system is called as a homogeneous system. Why homogeneous? Because every equation is homogeneous. Why homogeneous? There is every term in the equation has degree 1 for the variable. The constant term had degree 0. There was no variable there. But the constant itself doesn't exist. So that term doesn't exist. So every term in the equation has the unknown variable of degree 1. Therefore, it is uniformly degree 1. All the equations are like that. And there is no term with degree 0. And no term, that means no constant term. So these are called as homogeneous system of linear equations. And if at least one of the constant terms is not 0, at least one of the constant terms is not 0, then it is said to be non-homogeneous system.